Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fable 2 on PC. Fable 2 was originally an exclusive title for the Xbox 360 console, meaning there is no official PC version available. To experience this classic role-playing game on your computer, you will need to use an Xbox 360 emulator. This process involves a few key steps, from setting up your system to configuring the software for optimal gameplay. Let's dive into the details. Before you begin, ensure your PC meets the necessary specifications for emulation. A robust processor and a capable graphics card are crucial for smooth performance. Your operating system, ideally Windows 10 or 11, should also be current. Next, you'll need to download and install an Xbox 360 emulator, with Xenia being a popular and effective choice. Finally, make sure you have a legitimate copy of the Fable 2 game, either as a physical disc or a digital file. Once you have Xenia downloaded, install it by extracting its contents into a dedicated folder on your computer. Open the emulator and navigate to the settings to configure your preferred controller, ensuring a comfortable and responsive gaming experience. Then, load your Fable 2 game file, whether it's an ISO or a digital copy, directly through Xenia's interface. Take some time to fine-tune the graphics and audio settings to achieve the best possible performance and visual quality for your specific setup. To maximize your Fable 2 experience, close any unnecessary background applications to dedicate more system resources to the emulator. Don't hesitate to experiment with Xenia's various settings. Small adjustments can significantly impact performance and visual fidelity. If you encounter issues, online forums and communities are excellent resources for specific Fable 2 emulation tips and troubleshooting advice. Regularly updating your graphics drivers is also vital for maintaining compatibility and ensuring optimal performance with the emulator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.